and it's raining in Dhaka after a long season of summer. It's the onset of monsoon, and you can see there's raining outside, and it's a wonderful weather out there. It's breezy, it's windy, stormy. Actually, this storm is known as the Khilgaon in Bangladesh. Let me show you the big picture from the rooftop. Woo! This is the Khilgaon area, or Khilgaon Chowdhury area in Dhaka, Bangladesh, and you can it's raining heavily out there. Actually, this is a storm, and this storm is named as the Khilgaon in Bangladesh, the biggest storm in Bangladesh. You can see the sky is full of clouds, and it's gonna raining out there for hours after hours after hours, and it will rain. It's going to rain for next 2 or 3 days, and this is a great news. This is a great news for Dhaka's people, and all the Bangladeshis will be happy about it, that finally they are going to get a relief from the extreme hot weather of Bangladesh. Um, wow, it's a great view. It's a great view of Dhaka. Thank you for watching the video.